I'm Alan Mills, owner of Falcon Group and author of MasterClass CSU training. We are super excited to bring MasterClass CSU to 5 major cities in 4 countries in Asia Pacific during September and October. Commissioning and startup is a project defining phase, and in order for any project to be an economic success, it must have a successful commissioning and startup. On the other hand, if a project's commissioning and startup is not successful, that project will not go on to become an economic success. I will be your instructor, teaching you the critical success factors essential to every project. You will learn how to apply vital skills in systems completion and commissioning and startup for every project you will work on. The course is called MasterClass CSU Foundation and is ideal for engineers, technicians and managers working in the energy or process industries. The training is accredited by the American Petroleum Institute and approved by the UK's Engineering Construction Industry Training Board. MasterClass CSU is the only industry-approved training that can provide you with an internationally recognized qualification in CSU. We get off the grid in Singapore, sandwiched in between Gastech and the Formula One Grand Prix. The following week we'll be in Perth, Western Australia, and a week after that we head east to Melbourne, Victoria for our next stop. October sees us in central Wellington, New Zealand, with our final stop 2 weeks later in central Hong Kong. To claim your discounts, sign up at least 4 weeks before each event. And when you do, there are further savings if you're a member of a recognized professional engineering institution such as IMRS, IMechE, IEE, or the Institution of Chemical Engineers. So be sure to click the link and sign up to claim your discounts. Learn how to achieve success in project completion and make sure to reserve your place on MasterClass CSU when we come to a city near you. Stay safe and happy commissioning.